Welcome to American Insurance Brokers. We proudly service and upgrade thousands of policyholders of some of our nation's largest life insurance carriers. Some of them are listed below. Carriers like American Income Life, Banner Life, American Amicable, Colorado Bankers, MetLife, Prudential, John Hancock to name a few, and many others. What I want to discuss with you briefly today is critical illness life insurance. Quoted by Dr. Marius Bernard, medical science can save lives, but it can't salvage lost money balances. In other words, we'll keep you alive, but we won't provide the money to support you. Dr. Marius Bernard was the first doctor in America to do the first live heart transplant. And he was the founder of critical illness many, many years ago. And for years it's been popular in the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and Japan. We're talking for decades. So this is not a new concept, but it is now available in the US and it is catching on quickly. Insurance is like walking a tightrope. Think about it. We have health insurance in case we get sick, and we have life insurance in case we die. Now here are some statistics on sick, heart attack, stroke, or cancer. The average age of claim is 43 years old, and 52% are stricken between 41 to 50. Now the statistics on death are the average age of death for a female is 80, and for males are 74. And 84% of these individuals died of heart attack, stroke, or cancer. So do you think it's pretty common? Now I know you may be thinking to yourself, well, I have disability insurance through my employer. Well, the fact is most disability plans cover you up to 65% of your income. Now, you would probably be most certain to agree that most people live off of about 110% of their income, so a 35% plus loss over a 7 to 10 month average recovery period for a critical illness would most likely mean financial devastation for you and your family. Now, what are the big three that we have to be concerned about if you actually survive? Well, heart attack. 15.8 million Americans suffer a heart attack every year. 70% of them survive. What about stroke? Each year, over 7 million people alive have survived a stroke. Many end up with permanent disabilities. And then cancer. The average cost of a cancer claim is about $146,000. And over 65% of expenses are indirect and not covered by traditional insurance. 60% of cancer patients live at least 5 years. So, what is the risk of living? Well, every year over 25 million Americans have survived a heart attack, stroke, or cancer. So if you were to suffer from a critical illness event and you were tied up for 7 to 10 months only living on 75% of your income, who's going to help you pay for your mortgage, which has led to a lot of foreclosures across America? What about your car payments? What about submitting money to your retirement plan? Who's going to help put food on the table for you and your family? Who's going to help keep providing funds for your children's education? And then, of course, certainties like utilities, phone, cable, gas, electric, etc. Well, what do? If you die or get sick, we protect you from increased financial debt, savings spend down, liquidation of assets, and bankruptcy. So in other words, a life insurance plan that takes care of all of your needs. Is health crisis a financial impact? Well, 62.1% of all bankruptcies are due to medical expenses. And amazingly enough, 78% of those bankruptcies occurred even when the consumer had health insurance. So are you really covered? What can critical illness life insurance do for you? Well, it can provide you with an immediate payout upon confirmed diagnosis of a covered condition. That's right, all we need is a simple confirmed diagnosis. There are absolutely no restrictions on how the funds are spent. If you want to go on a dream vacation with you and your family, do it. If you want to buy an RV to get there, do it. If you want to take it to Vegas and gamble, do it. The company does not care. This benefit is provided to you as a cash benefit. No impact on other benefits, such as health insurance, Medicare, etc. So you don't have to worry about disrupting what's called coordination of benefits. This pays in addition to any other plans, pays directly to you. And of course, the best thing is that the benefits are income tax free. So it's your choice. You can keep what you have now, and the only way your family's going to benefit is if you die, or you can take option 2. You can have a death benefit with built-in critical illness to cover a large list of items, as you see on the screen here. We'll even protect you from chronic illnesses, which is if you're unable to perform 2 of the 6 activities of daily living: bathing, continence, dressing, eating, toileting, transferring. So think about it. Which one would serve your family's needs the best? Option 1, option 2. Now, what if I told you in the majority of the cases, option 2 will actually save you money over your current option number 1? That's right, we can provide you with all these benefits in a lot of cases for less money than what you're spending right now today. Now, our solution: collect your benefits when you need it the most. Critical illnesses, heart attack, stroke, cancer, chronic illnesses. We've already discussed that. This is an actual check of one of our clients who suffered a critical illness event shortly after obtaining their life insurance. Now, of course, the insurance company did their due diligence, made sure it wasn't a pre-existing condition. Once it was confirmed, the company produced a check for $344,000 and paid this individual while they were still living. The living benefit check saved this family from financial devastation. So it's your choice. You can either get a get well card in the mail from your agent, or you can get a check for $200,000, $300,000, up to $2 million of tax-free income. The choice is yours. Do you believe in miracles? Well, out of every 10 people who reach age 65 who've suffered a heart attack, stroke, and or cancer, at least 7 of these people will still be alive at the age of 65. 70%. Now, if you're lucky to be alive at the age of 65, the federal government states that you will still live at least another 19.3 years. That's almost another 20 years. You need survival insurance, not just death insurance. How simple can this be? Well, do you own life insurance? Do you have to die to receive the death benefit? If you do, well, get rid of it. It's old-fashioned. You need to upgrade to the new kind with included critical, chronic, and terminal illnesses that do not require you to die to enjoy the benefits. Simply fill out the form and a professional representative will contact you within 72 hours. If you're not at the website right now, you can find our website by going to www.myquotesonline.net. www.myquotesonline.net. Have a great day.